Hello and welcome to reverse percentages. So let's have a look at this first question and we'll try and work out how this can be done. Okay, so in a sale, normal prices are reduced by 20%. Andrew bought a saddle for his horse in the sale. The sale price of the saddle was £220. Work out the normal price of the saddle. So in this case, what we know is the normal prices are reduced by 20% at the moment. And the sale price, so the sale price is £220. Now that's what Andrew got after the sale. But what was the normal price that he could have paid if there was no sale? And this is called reverse percentage. So at the moment, £220 equals 80%. Remember, percentage is always out of 100. And why is it 20%? Because it's been reduced by 20%. So the actual value, £220, is 80% of the actual original price, and it's been reduced by 20%. Now we need to work out what is the original price, what is the 100% value of this particular saddle that he bought for his horse. So because we know that £220 is 80%, we need to first of all work out what 1% stands for. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 220 divided by 80%. 220 divided by 80%, and that gives us 2.75. So let me just write it down here so you can see. 2.75, £2.75, £2.75, and that is 1%. So £2.75, £2.75 stands for 1%. Now, because you worked out 1%, which is 2.75, now we can times 2.75 by 100 to work out what the original price should be. And that comes to £275. And that equals to 100%. Okay, so the best way to do this is to first work out what 1% of the value is, and then multiply it by 100%, because percentages are always out of 100%, and that will give you your overall answer. Okay, if you have another more appropriate technique, then by all means feel free to use that as well. Good luck with these questions. Thank you.